Delicious fried chicken in slightly sweet, hot and sour Manchurian sauce. Chicken Manchurian is an Indo-Chinese food that is much popular in Indian subcontinent. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll first marinate the chicken. Into the chicken pieces, add salt to taste, add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of crushed garlic, add 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now mix all the ingredients. I cut the chicken into cube pieces. To me, it's the best way to make chicken Manchurian. Make sure all the chicken pieces are well coated with the egg and corn flour. Rest the chicken for just 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, place the marinated chicken into the oil. I'm shallow frying them. If you want, you can deep fry them. Make sure there is no excess moisture in the chicken before you use it. If you do not dry the chickens well, then it will turn soggy. Turn them to the other side. It will take 5 to 6 minutes to fry. These are nicely golden brown and crisp, and set them aside, and I'll fry the rest. Into the same oil, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. For this recipe, you need to chop lots of garlic. Fry the garlic for just 1 minute. Garlics are nicely fried, but don't turn them brown. Okay, so now add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, add chopped green chili. Add the green chilies as per your taste. Fry them on the high heat. Now add 1 large onion petals and add diced green bell peppers. You can add different color of bell peppers as per your choice. Saute them. Onions and bell peppers should be crunchy, not overcooked, and high heat is very much important for this recipe. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. I'll give the link of chili garlic sauce in the description box. Add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. But one thing, as we use chili sauce, tomato ketchup and soy sauce, so at least salt as per your requirement, as they all have salt in there. Now add pre-fried chicken into sauce. Give a nice mix. As the sauce has a spicy flavor, so please add this sauce less if you don't like spicy food. After fry for 1 to 2 minutes, add water around 1 cup. Cook for 2 minutes. This is a fusion food from the Indian-Chinese cuisine, which is developed with the adaptation of Chinese seasoning and cooking methods to suit Indian taste buds. After 2 minutes, add the slurry. Just mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water and make the slurry. Give a mix. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to cook. Chili chicken and chicken Manchurian are both dishes that are made similarly, but they taste very different. Now sprinkle freshly chopped spring onion, which is from our garden. Give a mix. Chicken Manchurian is ready. It just tasted awesome and very unique. Serve this chicken Manchurian with fried rice, Hakka Noodles, whatever you like. You will definitely love this recipe. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button after watching the video to like, subscribe and share our videos. and leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.